What's up, guys? So today we got a good day ahead of us. We're not really doing much, but we're doing a lot, if that makes sense. Today what we're going to be doing, we're going to be starting to build on the G37. So what exactly are we doing to the G37, you may ask? So the first thing that we got to do is get the car lowered. So I got lowering springs by Tein, and I'm going to go over to my mechanic. We're going to pop those on and see how the fitment is. Right now I got some meaty tires in the back. So 9 times out of 10, I'm probably gonna have to buy tires with it. So let's see what I have to do. Let's go. All right, so now that the wheels are, I can show you guys the damage that I did when I crashed. So if you look right there, my frame when I crashed, it bent it, like it's crumpled right now. Like this part is supposed to be straight, and once I hit the curb, it just bent. But that's a very easy fix. All I gotta do is unbolt this, unbolt the top piece, and it comes right out. And then I gotta get a new whatever this piece is called. I don't know exactly what it's called. I gotta get a new piece. And then my radiator, for some odd reason, isn't working. I don't know why. I don't know what's not connected, but the radiator itself isn't, I mean, not the radiator, the window washer fluid, I should say, is not working. So I gotta get that fixed too. I'm gonna have them look at that and we should be good. I don't know exactly what this piece is called, but I'm gonna take a picture and send it to my parts guy. Just in case if you guys need any parts for Infiniti and Nissan. There's this guy on Facebook Marketplace. His name is Lee Carter. He has amazing prices for some great genuine Infiniti parts. So hit him up, let him know I sent you. All right, I just want to show you guys my tires and shit. They are done. I got holes everywhere. His chunk's missing. I need an alignment. All over here is gone. Still got threads over here. Like, this bitch is bald. Yeah, we definitely gonna get some tires for the baby today. Let's look at the other one over here. Ooh, this one got a little bit more thread on there. I mean, it's still bald because it's all the way down. So it got to go, but no chunks is missing or anything like that. So if you guys are wondering what tires I'm running, in the rear I'm running 275 40 19s, and in the front I'm running 245 40 19s. But I'm about to change that today. I'm gonna do 275 30 19s in the rear and I'm gonna stick with 245 40s in the front, 19s. I'm gonna see if I could do 285 or 295, but I doubt it, because my rims are too small. They're 9 inches. So we'll see. We'll see when I talk to my tire guy. Got JRG in the streets with us today. So we kind of just left the shop. Let me turn this way. We kind of left the shop for the simple fact, we left the shop because I want to go to Wawa to grab a quick snack, and also it's taking him longer than normal to do the springs. So we're just gonna give him some time, then we're gonna be right back.
Scared it's gonna be the same.
No, I'm scared of that too. I'm scared the rear is gonna be too low.
They gotta settle. The moment of truth.
Damn.
Shit, what the rear look like?
The rear look the same.
Is the rear rubbing?
No. Slow it too. Now I gotta check it out. Oh.
There's mad room back there, bro. Damn, bro. Do you see the wrist? Shit dropped, bro. Pop. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go downstairs and hit that like button. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. And also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at DiverseDJ. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.